Hey there. Welcome to this quick YAML crash course. YAML stands for Yet Another Markup Language, or YAML ain't markup language. It is a human-readable data format used for configuration files, data storage, and communication between systems. It is simple, easy to read, and widely used in DevOps, cloud computing, and automation. Let's analyze a YAML file representing a family and their pets. YAML uses indentation to define hierarchy. For example, first name. Adam assigns Adam to the key first name. Similarly, last name. Bertram assigns the last name. Hair color. Brown specifies hair color. And married. True is a Boolean value indicating Adam is married. The spouse key contains another object. Using indentation. Under spouse. Name. Miranda means Miranda is the spouse's name. Occupation. Mom describes her role. Interests. Introduces a list with items like Instagram, Facebook, and keeping the Bertram family in check. Next. Dog count. 2 tells us the number of dogs. The dogs key introduces a list of dog objects, each with details like name, breed, and color. Dog 1 is named Elliot, a black and white Shih Tzu. Dog 2 is Brody, also a black and white Shih Tzu. YAML is human-readable, supports complex structures, and is widely used in technologies like Docker, Kubernetes, and CI/CD pipelines. It is also more readable than JSON and XML, making it a favorite among developers and DevOps engineers. So to sum it up, YAML uses key-value pairs and indentation, supports nested objects and lists, and is widely used for configuration and data storage. And that's it for this quick YAML crash course. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.